Page number 50. Lesson number 12. The Monkey and the Elephant. A group of monkeys were playing on a tree in the jungle. Suddenly, they heard the loud sound of an elephant's trumpet. The monkeys were afraid. They ran up and down the tree. Soon, the elephant came very close to the tree. A little monkey looked up at the elephant and smiled. Page number 51. The elephant picked up the little monkey and put him on his back. The little monkey shrieked with joy.
What do you think happened next?
The other monkeys saw this. One by one, they dropped down from the tree onto the elephant's back. The elephant started moving. The monkeys had a jolly good elephant ride. To the teacher. Help the children notice the words in bold. Page number 52. Answer these questions. 1. Have you ever had a ride on any animal? 2. How did the monkeys feel when they heard the elephant? 3. Why did the little monkey smile at the elephant? 4. Did the elephant like the little monkey? 5. Why did the other monkeys drop down the tree?
Let's try this. 1. Choose the correct form of the words given in the brackets to fill in the blanks. 1 has been done for you. 1. The monkeys lived. Bracket live. You see, the word lived came out of live. So the sentence is, the monkeys lived in a jungle. Now go on. 2. The monkeys dash a tall tree. Use the word climb. 3. Suddenly they dash an elephant trumpeting. Use the word hear. 4. A little monkey dash near the elephant. Use the word go. 5. The elephant dash up the monkey and dash it a ride. Use the words pick and give in respective blanks.
Page number 53. Listen and repeat. Tail, toil. Bail, boil. Ale, oil. Fail, foil. Cane, coin.
3. Here is a sentence. I like milk. Now complete the following sentences. Clues: names of fruits, drinks, foods, games, animals, etc. 1. I like dash. 2. I like dash. 3. I do not like dash. 4. I dash. 5. Do you like dash? 6. We like dash. 7. We do not like dash.